powerful techniques to grow your LiveGood business, or just about any business, really. Number one, you got to make a decision. With LiveGood, you either want to use the products just for yourself, or you can buy them and resell them, or do you want to be an affiliate and actually make money doing this? That's what I'm doing now. I used to just use the products because it's a wholesale company. It's rock bottom prices. $10 a month to be a member, or just $100 for the year. That's it. And if you want to be an affiliate, it's $40 and that's it. There's no auto pay. There's no product that you have to buy every month. For example, you don't have to buy $1,000 of products to resell in order to get a bonus of $1,000. This company, that's old school MLM. This company does not do that. That's why I'm here. That's why I made a decision to actually buy the products, and I talk about the opportunity to make some money as well. Mindset is important. You've got to believe that you can actually do this business. All you got to do is get people to click a link. You don't have to teach them. There's plenty of video out there for that. And most people just want to be left alone and look at the menu. It's like when you go to Denny's or a high-end restaurant, you just want to look at the menu and decide for yourself. And then if there's any questions when the waiter comes up, you can ask. That's how I kind of look at LiveGood. People look at the website, they look at the products, they just kick the tires, and then out of the blue they go, you know what, I think I can actually do this. So I think what I'll do is I'll just put it up on the screen here. LiveGood.com. There's products. You can check out everything under the shop category. All right. My website might be going a little slow here. Okay, there we go. Multivitamins for male, female. There's super greens and super reds, which is my favorite. Protein powder, vanilla. Now, these are high-end products. When you click the little white rectangle boxes where it says Learn More, you can learn about the ingredients, what's in these products, how much they are. Let's go to CBD oil right now. Let me move my face out of the way. CBD oil. This is the good stuff. This is the 750 milligram, not the 500. It's only $18. Look at how much Young Living and Green Roads is. It's $80 and $90. Ours is a better product. It has 750 milligrams, and it's 18. But then look at this. If you want to go to 1,500, and there's also two flavors. There's natural flavor, which is kind of a water-based taste, and then there's peppermint. But the 1,500 is the bad boy. It's only $26 with your membership. $10 a month or $100 for the year. That is it. I've now become Mr. CBD oil in Salt Lake City because all my friends want to buy this from me, and they want me to tack it up a little bit. So if you want to make an extra $100 or $200, just have like 5 bottles of CBD oil, either in 750 or 1,500. Believe me, your friends will tell you what they want. But somehow I've become Mr. CBD oil guy. Organic coffee. My God, there's so much. Even CBD oil for your pet, which is really cool. If they have anxiety, they're going on a flight. Maybe you're driving cross country, or maybe your puppy is now an older dog that's anywhere from 10 to 15 years old. That's a pretty good life to a pooch. Amino acids that taste like fruit punch. There's plenty of products to look at. You can put this on your face and your eye wrinkles go away, which I can attest to. I got this, and it really does work. Oh, what else? Oh, and you can get a hat, a bunch of colors, which I ordered, and I got even both shirts, which I think are kind of cool. But nonetheless, this company, check out the website. You can see the wholesale prices versus the retail. And if you don't like any of these products, you've got 3 months to use all of that protein powder. Send it back if you use the whole thing and said, nah, I just don't like the flavor. I ate the whole, what is this called, tub? I emptied the whole thing in my gut, but I just don't like the flavor. I want my money back. Well, our CEO said, I don't care. Give him his or her money back. And that's insane. It's awesome, though. Very little returns. We always have live Zoom meetings Thursday night and Friday. And Ben, our CEO, just said, with a 3-month warranty, it's just or guarantee, it's just amazing. Almost nobody, calls that back, sends it back. So anyway, go through all the products. It's so cool. It's so nice. But let's just get back to what we were talking about. I got to go back to my Facebook page because what I did is I sent my notes to myself. All right, so if you're looking at the screen, you can see my notes. Notes to self. You got to have mindset. You got to believe you can do it. You got to make friends, too. You got to be at least social online. I know it's easy to be an introvert or a hermit or shy, but if you're going to do this business, you're going to be more successful if you can at least write people back. Like about 10 minutes before I started making this video, someone wrote me and had a question about LiveGood. And then another person about an hour ago, I made a video on how to go into Facebook groups and just kindly write a short message to somebody asking if they'd like to see this or please look at this opportunity with a link. And he had a quick question, so I just answered it to him. But it's not that you have to go out and make friends and go to social events and become the life of the party, but it is nice to, just be a little bit more social. And I think you can do it. If you start making money and you have people all around the world joining your downline, I think you're going to get excited. Daily habits. Get up, eat breakfast, brush your teeth, take a shower. That is good to do. But when it comes to this type of business, especially if you have a full-time job or if you don't, you've got to take this serious. It is a job. It's a legit job. You can make a lot of money in this business, way more than what you might be making right now. But daily habits. If you're good at posting on Instagram about this business, you got to do it. TikTok, Facebook. I really enjoy YouTube. That's one of my favorites. But I don't know if I call it discipline, but I'm a big fan of doing this business because I find it entertaining. Just like a Netflix movie. And right now, if I look at Netflix, it's funny how there's a million movies on that on that app. And you go, God, there's just nothing to watch. And there's literally about 5,500 movies on Netflix, but there's just nothing to watch. Well, right now, I've made LiveGood kind of fun, where I build this and I text that, and I might email this and make a video about that. But my daily habits, they're pretty strict, and I like to make video. That is my number one thing. So I try to do at least 5 videos per day, and I do it. If you go to my YouTube channel, you can see I really enjoy making short little videos about this company and the opportunity. Always be prepared. If somebody does have a question, do your best to answer it if you do know it. Be prepared if you make a video. It's always nice to have your notes up. And and I did an excellent example of how not to be prepared, because when I hit record, I forgot to bring up my YouTube channel, my Facebook channel. I had all these finer points, and what I did is I just sent myself 9 powerful techniques to grow LiveGood in my inbox of Facebook. So always be prepared, except me. I don't have to. All right, tell good stories. Sometimes it is good. Now, you don't want to lie and go, Mo, I'll tell you what, I just took this CBD oil and I jumped over a 10-foot fence. And when I got up in the morning, I couldn't believe all my hair was back. I used to have bald head, and now I have a full set of hair thanks to my protein powder. Good storytelling. Maybe a side story, not to drag on and on to the break of dawn, but if you can tell a good story, I think people enjoy it. Storytelling is very important when it comes to video, in my opinion. But you get better at it the more you do it. You just will. I know you can do it. Listen and answer questions if you can, because no matter what, you're going to have people believe in you. Because if they're watching your video and they join under you, you're kind of a leader to them. And maybe you are in a downline at LiveGood under one of the larger leaders that's in the top 10 or the top 25, and we all know who they are. But it's nice if you really do know the pay program, the compensation, the bonuses, what email address should we use when we need a return and just where to ship it, just the basics. And we even have a FAQ page, which most people don't even mention, but there is a ton of questions that are answered just on our FAQ webpage. So anyway, listen and answer questions if you can, but just make sure you're accurate if you do. If someone goes, how much is protein powder? Don't say $400. That's not good. So enthusiasm, it's really up to you. If you're tired, sometimes it's hard to fake it. And if you're in a rotten mood and you just had an argument with somebody, just pretend. Maybe instead of enthusiasm, I should put be a good actor or actress. But if you're in a good mood, or even if you're tired, just go, you know what, you guys, I'm tired, but I just felt like making a video, and thanks for watching. just admit it. The more real you are, I think the more better response you're going to have in this business. And then dream. And I know that these are, dream and have a mindset. You hear this every day. There's posters with these exact phrases that you can hang on the wall at a dental office. But you've got to dream and shut your eyes at night and you've got to dream that you can really do this business. You can get one person to believe in you and to join for $10 a month or $100 for the year or an extra $40 to be an affiliate. You just got to really believe that you can do it, and I know you can. Otherwise, I wouldn't be here making YouTube videos and telling you what my opinion is. I would just quit the business because I've got other incomes. I'm doing this for extra income to buy chrome parts for this and shiny things for my Harley, and I want to do some things to a truck that I have. I'm really having a good time doing this business. I get to do video and post and kind of use my humor when I can. Sometimes I'm serious on my posts, but anyway, it's fun to dream. But realistically, just realize you can do this. You just got to get a couple people to join and then teach your downline underneath you how to do it, and so on and so on. This company is based on the power of two. And you guys will see what I mean on another video. This one I just wanted to show you 9 techniques that I found, and I agree with all 9 of them. I think if you can get in the groove of every one of these, which I think is very easy to do, you're going to have a better experience. You're going to be in a better mood. You're going to definitely have enthusiasm without faking it. Because right now I could be mad. I could have just stubbed my toe and I broke it. And I'm acting right now. I'm pretending I have enthusiasm, but for real, I just want to say bad language and go to the hospital and fix my toe. And I'm just kidding on that, by the way. So anyway, 9 powerful techniques to grow LiveGood. I think all 9 of those are pretty good, and there's about another 109 that I could go into as well. So anyway, thanks for watching my video. I appreciate it. Right after this is another cool one, so please watch and subscribe to my channel. All right, you guys take care, okay? All right.